In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can increase or decrease a number by a given percentage. Now, in a previous video, we looked at how we could find the percentage of an amount. So we can answer a question such as 34% of 40 already. And as we've discussed, there are several ways that we can do this. The first being a calculator technique, where we turn 34% into a decimal, 0.34, and we multiply it by 40. 0.34 times by 40 gives me 13.6. Using a non-calculator technique, we can work out that 10% of 40 is 4, that 5% is 2, and that 1% is a tenth of 10%, so 0.4. Finding 34% would be the same as doing 3 tens, 1 5, and then we subtract a 1%. 3 10%, i.e. 3 times 4 is 12. Add on a 5% and take away 0.4 would also give me 13.6. So if I know that 34% of 40 is 13.6 using either method 1 or method 2, we can then decrease 40 by 34%. 40, take away, because it's a decreasing question, 13.6 would give me 26.4. This is one way that we can decrease a number by a given percentage. Work out what the percentage is, and then in a decreasing question take it away, or in an increasing question add it. An alternative way of thinking of the same question is that I started off with 100%. I want to take away 34%. And this would give me 66%. So another way of answering the question and arriving at 26.4 is to find 66% of 40, which would also give me 26.4. Pause the video here and choose an appropriate method to now answer the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this question, I'm going to work out what 29% of 90 is first of all. 10% of 90 is 9. 1% is 0.9. So if I have 3 lots of 10%, that would give me 27. And 1% is 0.9. Taking these away would then leave me my 29% that I'm after. So I now know that 29% of 90 is 26.1. Because this is an increasing question, 90 plus the 29% would give me 116.1. The alternative technique would have been to consider that I start with 100%, I'm increasing this by 29%, and I'm going to be left with 129%. I want to find 129% of 90. 129% as a decimal is 1.29. Multiply this by 90 and it will also give me 116.1. This is my final answer.